Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to tell you that how can we add and many other options related to comments. Okay, so Calc provides another type of comments, basically formally called notes, which authors and reviewers often use to exchange ideas of for ideas, ask for suggestions or brainstorming the document. When comment is attached to a cell, a call out appears on the screen where we can type text. A small square in the upper right corner of a cell marks the position of a comment. Now I'll tell you how can we add comments. So comment can be added by following steps. So basically step number 1, select the cell in which comment is to be inserted. For example, if I want to add the comment here, rate per unit cell, select this. Now we need to right click and select insert option, insert comment, right, insert comment option. Now it basically comment box appears on the screen. Now type the desired comment. For example, if I want to write this, okay, this is my desired comment according to me. Now click on the basically outside the box to close it. Now the cell to which you added the comment has a color dot in the upper right corner. For example, you can see here a pink color dot over here. If I'll basically now if you will hover the mouse pointer over the cell that has comment, the comment will be displayed as you can see here. Now to display the comment permanently, step number 1, simply right click the cell and choose show comment option. Okay, by this you can just simply if you want to display the comment permanently, you can do this by this process. Okay, now if you want to hide this comment and if you don't want to show this comment permanently, so simply click on the simply right click and just click on the option which is hide comment. Okay, so this is how you can show the comment permanently and hide the comment. And one more thing, that how can we add the comment. Okay, now other things also we can do, that if I want to format it, so simply show comment and click on this area. Okay, comment area, the box which is displayed, just simply click on this. Now you will get options here on the formatting toolbar, right? There are many options, like you can this option for coloring the background. For example, here if I want to fill the color, change the color, for example if I choose this one, so this is how you can change the color of this. You can change the border also. There are many other options which you can apply here by doing formatting. So this is how you can do this. Okay, and one more thing, if you want to delete the comment, simply go here and you will get the option of delete comment. Simply click on that option and the comment will be deleted. So I hope everything is clear, that how can we add comment, how can we display the comment permanently, and how can we format the comment, and how can we delete the comment. So I have covered almost everything which is related to comment. If anything is left, just comment down below so that I can make a separate video for that process. But according to me, I have covered most of the things in this video. If anything is not clear, just comment down below. I will try to answer you there. So that's it in this video. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching this video, and do subscribe my channel.